Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Badoo account. So if you've been on this dating app for a certain while and are wondering how to log back into your account, stick with me till the end of this video to figure out how this is possible. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Badoo app on your mobile device from your app store and then head over to the app. As you open up the app, you will land on an interface like this where you'll have to enter certain credentials in order to log into your account. The very first one being entering your email or your cell phone number. So if you remember signing up to the Badoo account, you will remember that you had to enter a certain email or a phone number in order to create your account. So enter the particular option that you had chosen that particular time in order to log into your account or create an account. So here, because I'd created my account using my email address, I'm also typing my email address over here and then also typing my password and then tap on the sign in button. After tapping on the sign in button, wait for a certain while for all of the processings to complete. And in a short period of time, when you tap on the bottom right corner, which is your profile icon, you'll be able to see that you've gotten logged into your account. So it is basically this easy to log into your Badoo account. I hope that this video has been of help to you. If you found this video helpful and logged into your own account by watching this, do let us know in the comment section below. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you are reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thank you for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.